What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, as requested, we're going to talk about some updates for Nano Dimension stock, trading under the ticker NNDM. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. For those of you who may have just recently started to look into Nano Dimension, it is a 3D printing technology company that is targeting a wide range of industries, such as consumer electronics, medical devices, defense, aerospace, automotive, and many more. We last talked about Nano Dimension here on my channel a couple months ago, and since that time, Nano Dimension is down huge, about 50% from its highs, selling off as part of the broader stock market volatility that has primarily been hitting tech companies. So needless to say, it's been rough being a Nano Dimension shareholder here in the short term. But with all of the short-term volatility put aside, how are things looking for Nano Dimension as a company and as a long-term investment opportunity? Overall, not too many analysts are covering Nano Dimension, but the one who is has given it a buy rating. But more importantly than the opinion of that analyst is the opinion of ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, who was buying Nano Dimension heavily for ARK's Innovation ETF. This past month, at the beginning of March, Cathie Wood provided investors an update on her opinion regarding Nano Dimension. In that article, Cathie Wood stated that ARK Invest always looks for where the defense is putting their money, and that overall she is very impressed with new management at Nano Dimension, and also points out that the founder is still very involved with the company. Aside from analyst expectations and price predictions, Nano Dimension provided investors with some financial updates in March as well, releasing their 2020 annual report on March 11th. Overall, 2020 was a rough year for Nano Dimension, seeing their revenue decrease by approximately 52% year over year to $3.4 million, with this ultimately resulting in an operating loss of $35.6 million. And for the full year 2020, they posted a net loss of $48.5 million. So needless to say, 2020 was a rough year for Nano Dimension from a business operations perspective, with the pandemic hitting their business especially hard. But where is Nano Dimension going from here? Currently, at the time that I'm recording this video and after hours trading, Nano Dimension is trading for around $8.20 per share. And while Nano Dimension is down about 50% over the past few months, when zooming out further, we can see that Nano Dimension is still up significantly over the past year, whenever it was initially trading at under $1 per share. So there definitely is a risk that Nano Dimension could fall further here in the short term, but I personally believe that it's starting to build up support at around $8 per share. I believe that 2021 could be a great year for Nano Dimension to continue to grow, as they continue to see increasing demand and favorable outlook for their dragonfly 3D printing machines. And in addition to that, on their recent conference call, Nano Dimension CEO announced that they're also considering potential mergers and acquisition opportunities. So this could be a huge opportunity and catalyst for Nano Dimension to continue to grow, especially if they were able to merge with a smaller company that could help them to reach their goals faster. Or alternatively, we could see a larger semiconductor company announce that they want to acquire Nano Dimension at a premium. Now personally, I would prefer to not see Nano Dimension get acquired by a larger company because of the huge growth opportunity that I think that Nano Dimension has ahead of them. But I personally have not been invested in Nano Dimension for that long, so if a larger company were to announce that they're acquiring Nano Dimension, then I'll go ahead and take that quick return on my investment. But just remember, these videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and providing my own opinion about that company based on that research. Like any investment, an investment in Nano Dimension comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Nano Dimension, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Nano Dimension? Are you invested in NNDM? Are you thinking about investing in Nano Dimension? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.